Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review on Tekton impact socket set, 3/8 drive, 6-point deep length, standard sizes. So let's open it up. It came in a box, bought it from Amazon for less than $30, I think. Yeah, or almost $40. And yeah, let's open it. Nice box it came with. It has a plastic case, Tekton on the top of the case there. Red case here, really good plastic material. And there's like on this, there's a rough texture all the way around, bottom and the bottom and the top part of the case, really good. Let's open it up. So it's a 12 pieces socket. Okay, this just keep the socket from moving while you're carrying it or whatever, so it doesn't make noise when you're shaking it like this. There's no noise. I guess that's for it. Let's try it, or let's remove it. See? So maybe that's the purpose of that, really. So let's put it back. So it goes from 5/16, 3/8, 7/16 of 1 inch. It doesn't skip. All the sizes are here. I guess all the sizes that I need. And it's not like a rough texture to it. It's a smooth. It's not that bad. This is the texture that I really like from impact sockets that I have currently in my toolbox. So yeah, I really like it, and no skips, right? Pretty good. I hope it will last for me, and as a starting apprentice here, I hope it will help me and it'll last for me for, I guess, a lifetime. But yeah, let's try. Yeah, here we go. Tekton 12 pieces Tekton impact socket set, 6-point 3/8 drive. There you go. Close it, and let's go over with the box. So it's a chrome vanadium, 5/16 inch to 1 inch, and it has lifetime replacement guarantee. Yeah, I'm going to put the link on the description section below, and I hope you guys had a closer look on the Tekton sockets here. And yeah, hope you guys like the review, and nothing fancy, just a short review here. Just wanna give you guys and have you guys take a look on the Tekton tools. This is my first Tekton tool, so I just wanna share my opinion, I guess, and my reaction on the Tekton deep one right now. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Bye bye. Peace.